Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO T1 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. Before we get started, you will need to grab a SIM eject tool like this one, which comes provided with the device in the box. But if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, and we do need to take off the case for this. And the tray is located at the bottom of the phone, as you can see right over here. Now you'll have two different insert holes basically. As you can see, this one is a microphone, the one that is closer to the USB charging port. So you want to utilize the one that is part of this cutout. Push the pin in, and you'll see that the tray pops out enough for you to grab it and take it out. Now I will say that it looks like we can only apply two different SIM cards in here, so no SD card support. So I'm gonna pop in my SIM. Make sure when you're putting in your SIM card that it's laying flush on the tray. When you flip it over, it should not fall out. From there, insert it back into your phone, and the card should start working right away. Just give it a second. It's looking for reception, I believe. And it's just found it. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.